So moving along with our steps, we've identified the ordered pairs of our vertices. The vertex principle of linear programming states that one of those vertices is the maximum and one of those vertices is the minimum. They didn't tell us in this particular example which one they wanted us to find, so we'll just find both. On your homework, it'll tell you find the maximum or find the minimum. So for step number 3, once we've identified those 4 ordered pairs, we are going to plug, and this is where we use the objective function, we're going to plug in each ordered pair into the objective function, and we're going to evaluate. We're going to find out what the value of the function is when each of those are plugged into the objective function, okay? So for the first one, 0 plus 3 times 4. Remember, these are x and y's. That's going to give me 12. 0 plus 12 is 12. The objective function, remember, was x plus 3y, so that's what we're plugging in there. Okay, x plus 3y. All right, so 0, 0, obviously, that's going to be our minimum, right? There's our minimum. The next one is 2, 3, so 2 for the x, 3 for the y. That's the same thing as 2 plus 9, or 11. And then the last one is 5 for the x and 0 for the y. That's pretty much canceled, so it's only 5. So when we're done, we can see where our maximum and minimums are. And so our minimum is obviously, minimum is obviously going to be 0, 0. And our maximum is going to be, let's see, this was 0, 4. 0 for the x, 4 for the y. So we can identify the largest value. The largest value is going to be our maximum. And the smallest or least value is going to be our minimum. And from there, we've answered, and they will tell you on your homework if they want you to find the minimum or the maximum. They'll say maximize the function or minimize the function. We did not have a specific direction for that, so we just did both. Okay, but you'll notice that the objective function isn't used until the very end to plug in those vertice coordinates. Okay? So the next video is going to allow us to apply this now to word problems. So we're going to do one word problem and we'll do a second word problem as well.